4 types of leverages in a business that I learned from this book, the Almanack of Naval Ravikant. So I'm going to break it down for you, these 4 type of leverages, and it is going to be very helpful if you are building a business, because this is a powerful concept, and it will help you to understand like what are the leverages you have as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, and how you can use them to actually build and grow your business. So don't miss this video, because it's going to be extremely insightful video in which I am going to share my perspective on these 4 leverages that we have as an entrepreneur. So, without further delay, let's just begin and see what exactly the leverage is and what are these 4 leverages that we have. So, let's just see. So, first of all, let me just tell you what is leverage. So, according to I just googled it, and let me just give you the result that I got from the Google. You will be able to see the screenshot I have already like given on the screen. The use of borrowed fund to increase the potential return on an investment or project. It can also refer to using what you already have to achieve something new. So basically it's here it is given like it's a borrowed fund to increase the potential return on the investment or the project, right? So this is the leverage, and this leverage is basically given in terms of capital. There are 4 types of leverages basically. Okay. And according to the definition on the Google, it is only talking about the capital, but it's not only capital. There are 3 more that you should know in today's era when you are building a business. The capital is not only the leverage that you have, because if you will go by this definition, it means that to increase the returns in your business, what you need capital. Capital is the only thing, but it's not like that. Capital is not the only thing. There are 3 more things, and these are the 3 more leverages. So let's just see what are all these 3 leverages, all 4 leverages basically. So the first one is capital, the second one is people, or you can say labor, third one is code, and the fourth one is media. Okay, these are the 4 leverages that you can have as a business, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. Let's just talk about all of them one by one. So let's start with the capital. Okay, so capital is like the money that you have as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. So basically it's a leverage. If you have the money, yes, you have a big leverage. You can go and invest that money and start building your business very quickly. So it's a leverage. But you need to understand one very crucial thing, that what kind of business you are building. Basically in this channel we talk about digital businesses, the businesses that you build around your passion, knowledge and skills. Okay, so if you are building a digital business, it could be the business which is like the business you are selling a digital product in the form of like content, or it is the digital business where you are selling something like a SaaS, software as a service, right? So these could be the 2 possible uh, products or business models that you can have, right? When you are doing it digitally, digital business, and when you are building a business which is a physical business where you are like doing the manufacturing and all, you are delivering some physical products, that is a different, that is a second type of business, right? So there are 2 business models, one which needed some physical things like delivering physical products. You need manufacturing facility where you need to do the manufacturing, then you need to deliver, and there is something called digital business model where you are not delivering anything physically, but you are delivering it digitally, and people can simply just log in, see, and access the product. They can simply download it and start using it. So this kind of business, okay, this is a digital business, and there is a physical business. Now the role of the capital is major when it comes to a physical business. In physical business, yes, the capital is very crucial, and you cannot build and grow the business very fast if you don't have the money. So you need a lot of capital to as a leverage if you want to like grow very fast or if you want to build the business. But when it comes to digital business, the capital is not that much crucial. Especially there are two criteria, two types of digital business models I'm talking about here. The first one, which was like where you are selling some kind of content, some kind of information, and the second one is like software as a service. So in software as a service, yes, there is a role of capital and you need a decent capital, but not something like you need in a physical business. Physical business, you need a lot of capital. In a, I would say, a business like a SaaS, yes, you can start with low capitals. And when it comes to building a digital business where you are delivering the product, delivering some kind of information, selling some kind of information, capital is very like a very negligible leverage, right? You don't need a lot of capital to build this kind of business. Okay, the business which is you are building around your passion, your skills, your knowledge, where you are like say, you're helping people to get some kind of results, and help them to solve a particular problem with your knowledge, with your skills, without like giving them anything physical. You are just guiding them, you are just helping them, you are just providing them some kind of system, some kind of knowledge, some kind of information. Okay, so this is the kind of business where the role of capital is like very less, and the capital is as a whole is not the very big leverage when it comes to building a digital business. So this is the first type of leverage that you need to understand. Okay, now let's move to the second one. The second one is people, labor. Okay, so people is like where you have the people, you hire the people, and and they work for you. Okay, yeah, they do the work, you allot them different works and they do it for you. So this is how you leverage people, where you are not doing the work, you have people and they are doing it for you, and overall you will be able to run your business, you will be able to deliver your product, you will be able to sell your product, you will be able to do all the business functions while leveraging these people, right? So people is also a big leverage when it comes to building a business. Now in both type of businesses, in physical business and in a digital business, what do you think is the role of a people? What do you think? My perspective here is like in a physical business, you need a lot. You need people. Okay, so people would be a very good leverage when it comes to building a physical business. You need people. If you have people, it's a big leverage. You can definitely like outperform and beat those who don't have people. If you have people, if you can hire people, basically here also the role of the capital comes, right? If you have the capital, you can definitely go and hire the people, and if you can hire the people, you can definitely go and build your business really fast, because you will be able to deliver everything, you will be able to sell everything, you will be able to run your business very smoothly because you have people, right? So people is a big leverage when it comes to building a physical business. But when it comes to building a digital business, people is not such a big leverage, because the technology is the dominant factor here. Most of the things are done with the help of the technology. Many things can be automated. So the role of the people is very less. And especially in today's era where the AI agents, AI chatbots and all these things are coming with the tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway ML, all these kind of tools at your disposal, you can definitely use these kind of technologies and eliminate people and do the work with the help of the technology. Okay, so in case of digital business, the people is not a very big leverage. Now, both the things which generally traditionally considered very important, right? Capital and people. When it comes to building a business, generally what people think is that I need a lot of capital and I need a lot of money. I need a lot of capital and I need people. But in case of digital businesses, this is not the concern, and these are not the very big leverages. The big leverages in case of digital businesses are the two more leverages that I'm going to talk about, which Naval discusses in this book. Okay. Okay, so this is the book which is written by Eric Jorgensen, which is based on all the information, all the things, all the content which is like available on the internet about Naval Ravikant. And here he talks about like four types of leverages, and I'm going to tell you like two more leverages which are very crucial when it comes to building a digital business. So the third one is code. Code is the third type of leverage that you have. Leveraging code means that you use the technology, you use the softwares, you use the tech available to build and grow your business. And this is completely aligned with a digital business, because digital businesses, when you build on the top of technology. Okay, you deliver the products, you build the products on technology, you deliver the products on technology. So definitely code plays a very crucial role. But there is one more thing. The code is now not very costly. So the role of the capital is not that crucial, because the technology is very cheap now. It's available at your disposal at very affordable price that anyone can start using immediately. Okay. So because of that, the code is one of the biggest leverage that you can have. Okay. You can build your product digitally by using this leverage code, and you can start delivering it to the people. So code and media are very crucial for product creation and product fulfillment. The code is one of the very crucial factor, because you create product on with the help of code, and you do the fulfillment with the help of technology. You use automations to deliver them the products on automation. You don't need people who will pick the product and travel and go and deliver it. No, that is not needed. You can deliver it directly with the help of the technology. So the code is playing the role here, and that is why you are leveraging the code, the technology to deliver. Okay, and also when it comes to scaling the business, code play a very crucial role, because scaling in terms of fulfillment is done with the help of automations. So that is why when you are scaling your business, when you are reaching out to more and more people, and more people have started buying your product, you need to deliver them on a scale, and do the fulfillment part. And that is where the technology plays a very crucial role, because it let you scale really fast without worrying about how you will deliver. Okay. So that is why the code plays a very crucial role, and this is the very big leverage that you have. If you are thinking to build a business, if you are working on your business, just leverage code, use the tools, the softwares which are available, and use it in such a way that you will be able to like build your product on these technologies, and you will be able to deliver them with the help of these technologies. These are the two main focus areas. Okay, these are the two main focus areas where you need to think and work, so that you will be able to use the code effectively. Now let's just move to the last one, media. Media is one of the best kind of leverage that you have. Okay. So basically what happens is media gives you this ability that to expand your reach. Okay. So being as a business owner, you need to reach out a lot of people if you really want to get the people who need your product, and media gives you this ability. Media basically means creating content, videos, maybe written content, using social media, and then doing podcast, maybe whatever may be the form of content you want to go. But media is all about creating content and then using that to reach out to more and more people, so that more and more people will get to know about your product, your service, and the right people will come in with the help of right marketing strategies. Okay, so media is one of the biggest kind of leverage that you can have. If you are especially if you are building a business around your passion, knowledge, and skills, right? You are delivering products, you are delivering a digital product which is an information based product. In that case, if you are a coach, if you are an expert, this media is going to be very powerful. This leverage is going to be a very powerful factor. It is going to play a very important role to build your business. It will help you to expand the reach. It will help you to create the product, because the product that you are creating is also the digital product where you are selling some kind of information. So you record media, you create videos, you create documents, you create checklists, you create cheat sheets, whatever may be the resources you are providing. Basically, you are building it, that is a media, and that is also that you are building on code, okay, using code, using technology. So code and media is playing a very crucial role here, right? So in product creation, and then scaling. When it comes to scaling in terms of sales and marketing happens with the help of media. Okay, when it comes to sales, when it comes to marketing, you will scale with the help of media. Your media, the media that you will create, the videos that you will create, the content that you will create, you will run ads, whatever may be the thing you will do on the internet to get the people. It's all about leveraging the media and then getting the people in for your products or services by selling them, by reaching out to them. Okay, so these are the four types of leverages that you can have: capital, people, code, and media. And as you can see, the code and media is going to play a very crucial role for digital entrepreneurs, the people who are building a business, a digital business, which is either a SaaS based business where you are like delivering some kind of digital software, or where you are like providing some kind of information, some kind of selling some kind of information, your expertise, your knowledge, your skills, right? In this kind of business, code and media is playing a very important role, and people and capital is not the major leverage. But when it comes to a physical business, your capital and people are big leverages, and code and media are not that big. They are like the secondary one, and the primary one are capital and people. Okay, so now you know like what leverages you have depending on the type of business you are building, and just think like how you can like use all these four leverages to build your business. uh, Code can also play, code and media is crucial when it comes in case of physical business also, when it comes to selling, when it comes to marketing. Yes, it can play a very crucial role at the time of scaling, but even when you are building the business in the beginning, you need capital and people. Okay, that is very crucial. And if you can't have the capital and people, you will not be able to reach the stage where you will go and sell. Okay, so code and media will always be the secondary when it comes to physical business, but code and media is going to be the primary when it comes to building a digital business, because you will start building your business, your digital business on these two factors, code and media, by using these two factors. Okay, so now I hope that you got like what are these four type of leverages, and and how crucial it is for different type of business models. Okay, so I hope that now you got the clarity, and let me know in the comment section like which one do you think is going to play a very crucial role in your business model. And if you have any question, any doubt about it, you can simply just ask me and we can have a good discussion about it in the comment section. I would love to answer if you have any question or any thought in your mind. I have tons of videos on my channel related to building a business around your passion, knowledge, and skills as a coach, as a consultant, and related to mindset, related to funnels and marketing. So just go check them out. Watch the video which is flashing on the screen. Just tap the card and watch it right now.